Imagine sitting at your desk in 1930. You are sipping your morning coffee. You look out the window and realize the entire street is moving past you. But you are not on a train. You are inside an 8-story building. This is the Indiana Bell headquarters. 11,000 tons of steel, brick, and concrete. In 1930, engineers did the impossible. They didn't just move the skyscraper. They rotated it while 600 people were still working inside. Welcome to Titan Logistics. The year is 1929. The city is booming. Indiana Bell needs a bigger headquarters, but there is a massive problem. The building was the nervous system of the city. Thousands of cables connected every phone in the state. Cutting them meant silencing the entire city. Demolition was not an option. So architect Kurt Vonnegut Sr. proposed a crazy idea: let's keep the building, but move it out of the way. How do you lift 11,000 tons? You don't use cranes. You use jacks. Workers used hand-operated jacks to lift the building inch by inch, placing it on a bed of Oregon fir timbers and massive steel rollers. But the genius was in the utilities. Engineers created flexible, curved pipes for water and gas. Umbilical cords that stretched as the building moved. In October 1930, the journey began. Moving at a speed of 15 inches per hour.
1 moment,
Inside,
please.
it was business as usual. 600 employees continued to work. No
Yes,
one felt a
connecting you
thing.
now. Thank you for waiting.
Not a drop of water was spilled.
Connect me with Mr. Thompson immediately. We have a situation with the latest stock figures that requires his urgent attention.
Outside, it was a symphony of steam engines and hand cranks. Over 30 days, they shifted the beast 52 feet south and rotated it 90 degrees. When the dust settled, the building stood perfectly in its new location. A feat of engineering that has never been replicated on this scale since. The total bill for the move came to $290,000. Adjusted for inflation today, that is roughly $5.4 million. To put that in perspective, moving an entire 11,000-ton skyscraper costs less than buying a single luxury penthouse in New York City today. This proves just how different the economy was. In 1930, raw manpower was abundant and cheap. Today, attempting this same feat would likely cost hundreds of millions in insurance and safety regulations alone. Looking back, the Indiana Bell move represents a lost philosophy in construction. Today, we live in a disposable economy. It is now cheaper to destroy and rebuild than to preserve. In 1930, labor was cheap, but technology was expensive. That switchboard was worth more than the building itself. Today, the equation has flipped. Technology is cheap, but skilled labor is a luxury. But beyond the economics, this project was a massive flex of engineering confidence. Keeping 600 people inside wasn't just efficient, it was a statement. A statement that said, we know exactly what we are doing. The building is gone now, demolished in the 60s. But for 1 month in 1930, it proved that with enough ingenuity, even the heaviest objects on Earth can be as light as a feather. But if you think moving a building is hard, wait until you see how we move an entire oil rig across the ocean. Subscribe to Titan Logistics. See you in the next one.